This video provides an overview of where and how to mount the ATMOX controller. Decide where to install the ATMOX controller. It must be near a standard electrical outlet, and wires from the controller must feed into the attic or crawl space. Do not install the controller outside. ATMOX controllers come in a few different models, so setup will vary. For ATMOX controllers that are all one unit, place it in a location such as a closet or garage that can be seen by a homeowner. The ATMOX controller has 4 screw holes. Select the screws that best fit the surface you are mounting to. This may vary if you are attaching to drywall versus wood. From this location, drill a hole or find a pathway to take wires from controller to attic or crawl space. Feed the sensor wires and low-voltage wire through this opening. For controllers with separate components, place the B box directly in the crawl space or attic. The B box has 4 screw holes. Select screws that best fit the mounting surface. Place the A box in a location that can be seen by a homeowner. It comes with a mounting plate and screws designed for drywall mounting. One option is to keep the cable directly below the A box. Insert the cable and then slide the A box onto the mounting plate. Secure the cable and create a hole or pathway to feed the cable into the crawl space or attic. The second option for a cleaner install look is to drill a hole through the mounting plate and fish the cable behind the drywall to the crawl space or attic. Insert the cable and loop it behind the A box and then slide onto the mounting plate. Plug the other end of the cable into the B box into the jack marked A box. The cable can be extended with an extension cable and coupler. All the cables should be carefully stapled and kept off the ground once installed. Be careful not to create tension on the cables. For additional assistance, visit us at atmox.com or call us at 704-248-2858.